In this video, I want to go ahead and discuss how to capture iOS network traffic by connecting it via USB to a macOS device. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is connect our device via USB to our computer. And then we're going to go ahead and obtain the UDID number of the device using iTunes. So we pull iTunes up over here. Under the serial number field, if we go ahead and click that once, it will bring up the UDID number of the device. If we right-click that, we can go ahead and copy it. Now over here, we're just going to go ahead and run ifconfig -l. -l is going to go ahead and specify all existing network interfaces. So the output of that will look something like this. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to open up a remote virtual interface using RVICTL. We'll do -s, and then we're going to go ahead and specify the UDID number of the device that we just obtained. So the output will look something like that, and if we run ifconfig -l once more, we can see that we have now an RVI0 interface. So at this point, we want to go ahead and use tcpdump in order to go ahead and perform a packet capture. We're going to use -i to specify the interface. Then we'll do -w in order to go ahead and specify where to write the output of the pcat file to. So here I'm just going to do iOS traffic to .pcat. It's going to go ahead and prompt you for your password. Enter that. And now I'm going to go onto my iOS device and try to generate some traffic. Open up a couple of applications, etc. All right. Now, in order to exit that packet capture, we're just going to do Control-C, and we'll open desktop. Now I'm going to use Wireshark in order to open that pcat file, and you can see it's a little bit noisy. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce some of that noise using T-Shark. Well, actually, first I'm going to go ahead and close that remote virtual interface. And then if we do ifconfig -l once more, okay, that's closed. Now we can use T-Shark. Specify the location of the pcat file. We'll do -t field, -e, and then we'll do IP source, -e IP.tst. If we do sort and unique, the output will look something like that. If we want to go ahead and reduce that just a little bit further by removing the tabs and the line breaks, we can do tr. Okay, now that brings up all the unique addresses. So you're going to see a couple of IANA addresses in here, so there's no need to go ahead and investigate that traffic at all. You're going to see a couple of RFC 1918 addresses, so you're not going to need to go ahead and review that at all. And then you're going to go ahead and see some public IPs. So let's go ahead and review where this traffic is stemming from. I believe this one is an Apple address, but we're going to go ahead and use Aaron in order to verify that. Yeah, and then you can see here that's Apple, so there's no need to go ahead and investigate that. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.